I have 3 months without starting my boat, and I think the next video that I'm gonna do with my daughter will be cleaning this baby. It's a Boston Whaler with a Mercury 115, and I will be starting the engine. It's a 2-stroke. I love 2-stroke engines, so that's gonna be my next video about opening this, cleaning it, make sure that it's run. I already put it on the charger. I have a charger connected to him. Look at my daughter. My dog is messing around. Rosie. Yep. She understands.